Viewers, I'm just going to take you through the big vaccine news that is doing the rounds globally, which is that the US FDA has given emergency use authorization to Pfizer and BioNTech's vaccine for the age group 12 to 15. This is the first time a major country has approved our usage of a vaccine for essentially teenagers. We have heard over the last several weeks, and especially in the last few days in the context of India, how the experts have been flagging that if there is a third wave of the coronavirus, it could very well impact children. We have had the government of Maharashtra setting up a task force to look at preventing COVID from infecting children. And now this battle to keep the youngest of us away from COVID has been given new teeth in the US. What we've seen is Pfizer had applied for this authorization on May the 7th. It is now May 11th and the FDA has approved it. Also, we can tell you that Moderna has sought similar emergency use nod for its 12 to 17 category. They have also announced preliminary clinical trial data for this, and they found that the Pfizer vaccine was just as effective in warding off infections among teenagers as it has been for adults. It is the same vaccine that is being used for children as well. Our history with approvals in India tells us that a short while after the US or the UK approve, India also approves. Another story before I hand over, I want to tell people on republicworld.com, we have India's foremost pediatrician who has also spoken in the context of approving vaccines for children and for teenagers. So that is a story that you can find on republicworld.com right now from Chennai's Global Hospitals, Dr. Raj Kumar. He explains why it was necessary for children to also be vaccinated in given time. So this is what is going on around the world right now. We have a couple of innovations coming in the world of vaccines, like we've seen Sputnik Light, a single-dose vaccine that could potentially go a long way towards giving immunity to people without them having to take 2 doses. And now we have this vaccine for children that may or may not be also approved in other places around the world in due course in time. Back to you.